So we're gonna put that sickle bar
Yeah, it looks like it goes
on the
inside
Super A today.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Hopefully.
Where's the?
What you doing, Lucy?
Okay.
No,
I'm on.
This does need to come up a little bit.
Should the back go down?
No, it's gonna go up. So that whole plate's gotta come off. The plate's gotta come off because the bolt's on long.
Okay, so that's the one that adjusts.
That so you can tighten your pulley, tighten your belt. If you need any extra bolts, there's a spare tractor right here.
Did you put this pin here? There's enough light on. Yeah, there's enough light on there, right?
Give me another wrench.
Yeah, we should lay it down and see where. Oops. I'm guessing this does have to lay pretty much on the ground.
Right.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, that's your guide basically. But
that
I
other
think
chain-
now, because the length of this is pulling up on it, it's pulling this up.
Right, I think most of your
I think it'll raise it up.
I think your weight's got to be on that chain.
The weight needs to be on this chain, and this is to adjust your angle a little bit.
Right. Here's a metric crescent wrench right here.
Yeah.
It'll adjust the standard too, right?
Yeah. It's a combination, metric standard.
Is it loose?
Yeah, it was just hand.
I think the weight's got to be on the other one.
Yes.
Yeah, the weight's got to be on that one. So that
And then we adjust this one to get level.
right.
As you can see that it's coming out this way.
That's true. Is that war on the bottom side? Right there.
We only got
Well,
to take
I mean, it doesn't.
Like it was used there.
Not.
Probably gonna have to pull plate off just because you're not gonna have any.
That's what holds that bar in.
Oh, I see. It's all ready to go. So it's in all the way.
Yeah, it's okay. That bar comes down to there.
Yeah. You got one clear, see what happens? Finish and I start.
Maiden voyage here of the sickle bar. First time we put it on the Farmall Super A. And we try it out.